You see, when I was a teenager, I spent countless hours glued to my screen, diving into fantastical worlds, questing with friends, battling bad guys, talking smack to the enemy team whenever I had a kill streak. Yes, I was totally hooked on video games. Don't get me wrong, I had an absolute blast playing video games, and I won't deny the fun and camaraderie I found there. But now, as an adult, I can't help but look back on these gaming marathons with a hint of regret. Imagine this. What if I just spent a fraction of that time learning a new skill, honing a new craft, or even better, figuring out ways to make money online? Gaming was great and all, but it didn't teach me practical stuff like coding, designing, or how to write cool content, did it? But hey, no point in dwelling in the past when you can learn from it, right? The good news is it's never too early or too late to start. The internet today is more powerful than when I was a teenager. It's overflowing with opportunities for you to learn, grow, and earn. And that's what we're here to talk about today. Whether you're a teenager looking to make some extra cash or you're a parent looking for opportunities for your kid, this video is for you. All right, kicking off our list with one of the most convenient methods out there, taking part in online surveys and beta testing. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Survey Junkie can actually pay you,
pay me my money,
just for sharing your thoughts and opinion. But it doesn't stop there. If you're tech savvy, you might enjoy beta testing new software on apps or sites like User Testing or UTest. Not only do you get to experience cutting edge technology, but your feedback also helps shape these products, all while earning some extra cash. All right, next up, let's turn your writing skills or your flair for design into cash with freelance work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are insane marketplaces where your skills are in high demand. Whether it's writing engaging blog posts or designing eye-catching logos, you can start building your portfolio and client base, all while earning money. All right, so our next strategy leverages a skill that many teens already possess, and this is managing social media. So many businesses are constantly needing to establish a social media presence. So savvy social media managers like yourself are in high demand. So why not turn those hours on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook into a paying gig? If you excel at a subject or have a hobby that you mastered, why not consider online tutoring or teaching? Websites like Chegg or tutor.com allow you to earn by sharing your knowledge and helping others learn. Plus, it's not just limited to academic subjects. You could teach anything from guitar lessons to art classes. Now, do you have a closet of clothes you don't wear, or maybe a knack for crafting? Selling products online could be your ticket to making money. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Depop let you sell almost anything from secondhand goods to your own handmade creations. If you got it, chances are someone's out there willing to pay for it. All right, so the next strategy is probably something you're already familiar with, and this is YouTube and blogging. If you have a passion and a knack for entertaining or informing, you could earn money through ads, sponsored content, and even affiliate marketing. It takes time and consistency, but building a loyal audience can be both rewarding and profitable. All right, now for the budding photographers out there, selling stock photos can be a fantastic way to earn some extra cash. Platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock are always on the lookout for high quality images. If you got a keen eye for photography, your snapshot could be someone else's perfect image, earning you money each time it's downloaded. All right, next up is my personal favorite. If you got a knack for coding, platforms like GitHub or Topcoder can be a gold mine. From developing a website to fixing bugs or creating an app, there are plenty of opportunities to make money. Plus, it's a skill that's in high demand in today's digital world. Our next strategy is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a company's product and earning a commission on any sales made through a unique link. You can integrate it into a blog, a YouTube channel, or any of your social medias. The key here is to promote products that you truly believe in and are relevant to your audience. So guys, remember, with all of these strategies, it's not just about making money. It's also about learning valuable skills and gaining experiences and even starting a career. These aren't just ways to make money, but they're stepping stones into your future. Rob out.